In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font size, style, and color in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever found yourself squinting at small text or simply want your emails to have a consistent and personalized look, adjusting these settings can make a huge difference. So let's dive right in and make your Outlook experience both aesthetically pleasing and easier on the eyes. To start, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a small gear icon. Clicking this will take you to the Settings menu. This is the main hub for customizing different aspects of your Outlook, not just fonts, but today we are focusing on enhancing our font settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several options listed down the left side. Look for and select Mail. This is where we can access specific options related to how our emails are composed and displayed. Selecting Mail will refresh your workspace with more focused settings tailored to your email preferences. Next, within the Mail settings, search for the option labeled Compose and Reply. Click on that. This section is particularly useful because it controls how your emails look and feel each time you write a new message. It's the command center for your email's aesthetic. Here's where the fun part begins. You have the chance to personalize your default font settings, which will apply to all new emails you write. Inside this Compose and Reply section, you'll find a toolbar that lets you set your ideal font style. Take your time exploring the choices. You might prefer something traditional like Arial or Times New Roman, or something a bit more modern like Calibri. Your choice can change the entire vibe of your communications. In addition to choosing a font style, you can also adjust the font size. Depending on your needs, you might want a larger size for easy reading, or perhaps a slightly smaller size if you're aiming for a more formal look. It's all up to you, and the setting will ensure that every new email you write will start with your chosen size. Lastly, don't forget the font color. Maybe you want a subtle blue to convey calm, or perhaps a vibrant red for emphasis. Select a color that matches your style and professionalism. Once you've made your selections, these settings will be saved automatically, providing a consistent look to your emails. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Outlook font settings, making your emails instantly more personal and easier to read. Thank you for following along today, and I hope these changes enhance your email experience. Keep exploring more settings to make Outlook truly your own.